Told you I've been running all of my life. I ain't lying now, and I went back then. Told my old reflection, is a young man in disguise, too tired-eyed to the pale, holding head.
That's a good disguise.
Out there. I gotta make this work. This ain't New York, New York in the UK, man. A dream is paying the bills. So I'm gonna buy my van, drive that sucker to Japan. Mr. Starmer's gonna miss me, yes he will. I ain't lying, I ain't lying. It saved my life when I quit that job, 'cause I've been dying since I was born. God alone knows if I'll wake up tomorrow. I ain't lying, I ain't tuning in. Economic downfall, floods and war. The news has nothing new in store. God alone knows if the sun will explode tomorrow. So his head in my hand, and my hands on the wheel. Man, those dreams are a handful of things to forget about how I feel. Man, I'm in a good run, I pay my taxes well. Standing citizen, every day visiting my very own private hell. Young and unhumble, hallelujah. How about down to my bill?